Hello students, in unit number 5th, let's understand the critical path method. There are three important terms which we have to find out in numericals: critical event, critical activity and the critical path. Let us understand one by one. The first one is the critical event. As we have discussed in previous video lectures also, the slack and the float time. In CPM, we use only the slack and in PERT, we use the float. So, what is critical event? An event with zero slack time is called critical event. That is, we have studied that if there are two events I and J, right? This is I and J. So here J is known as the head and I is known as the tail event, and this is an activity in between I event and the J event, right? So जीरो स्लैक टाइम का मीनिंग क्या है? इफ द अर्लीस्ट फिनिश टाइम इज इक्वल टू द लेटेस्ट फिनिश टाइम, दिस इज नोन एज द क्रिटिकल इवेंट. इन द नेटवर्क डायग्राम, जो हम नेटवर्क को ड्रॉ करेंगे, जहां पर भी अर्लीस्ट इवेंट टाइम इज इक्वल टू द लेटेस्ट स्टार्ट टाइम, दिस इज, और वी कैन से द अर्लीस्ट फिनिश टाइम इज इक्वल टू द लेटेस्ट फिनिश टाइम, इज नोन एज द क्रिटिकल इवेंट, राइट? Number 2 is the critical activity. What is now critical activity? An activity is said to be a critical activity if a delay in its start will cause further delay, will cause further delay in the project completion time is known as the critical activity. मीनिंग, अगर हम किसी प्रोजेक्ट को देर से स्टार्ट करेंगे तो एंटायर प्रोजेक्ट विल बी कंप्लीटेड लेट. दिस इज नोन एज द क्रिटिकल एक्टिविटी. तो फॉर द क्रिटिकल एक्टिविटी, टोटल फ्लोट time is 0. We have discussed three float time, that is total, free and the independent float time. So where total float time is 0 is known as the critical activity, or we can say Li is equal to Ei or Lj is equal to Ej, or it says Li minus Ei is equal to 0 or Lj minus Ej is equal to 0. It is known as critical activity. Next, number third one is the critical path. Now, what is critical path? The unbroken or the continuous chain of critical activities from the first event, or we can say the start event, to the last or the end event in the network diagram is known as critical path. Whenever we draw a network diagram, the continuous chain of critical activity, नेटवर्क डायग्राम में जो कॉन्टिन्यूअस एक्टिविटी है, वेयर अर्लीस्ट स्टार्ट टाइम इज इक्वल टू द लेटेस्ट स्टार्ट टाइम और अर्लीस्ट फिनिश टाइम इज इक्वल टू लेटेस्ट फिनिश टाइम, इज नोन एज द क्रिटिकल पाथ, राइट? एंड इट इज बी शोन बाय द डबल लाइन्स इन द नेटवर्क डायग्राम. एंड द सम ऑफ इंडिविजुअल टाइम ड्यूरेशंस, द सम ऑफ individual time durations of all critical activities on the critical path is called the total project time. We have to find out the total project time. So what is the total project time? The sum of individual time duration of all critical activities on the critical path. Critical path पे जो critical activities हैं उन सब में जो time given है उनका sum क्या कहलाता है? Total project time. Go through it and try to understand. Thank you so much.